Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Oh, this is my video for the $50 food challenge. Even though I'm not participating, I'm judging it. I want to do a demonstration video on a way to do it. So, what I got here, let's get over here and actually lower this down a little bit and take myself out of the picture. All right, 3.5 pounds of potatoes for $8.78. This usually lasts me over 4 months, almost 5 months, about 4.5 months. And figuring that out, you're looking at, all right, so dividing 8 by that, so you're looking at, $2 for 30 days using this mashed potatoes for me. All right, let me grab the other receipts here. Okay, so this is 50. Just make sure it's showing up there. 50 tortillas. I'll only use 30 if I even use 30. And 30 of them, the package is $5.44, but 30 of them is $3.26. So $3.26 if I even use it. The butter here is $14.28 for 4 pounds. I usually use half a pound a month and have leftover. I don't use that much butter at all, so a half a pound of the butter is $1.80. All right, got that little stuff out of the way. The big one over here, this is the one we're going to be working with here. This is the pork chops, and I can count 12 of them on top, and there's more on the layer underneath. And I usually, only eat half of one of these at a time. So just what you can see here is 24 meals plus whatever's underneath. So this is more than 30 days worth for $18.60. I'm going to break this out and find out exactly if I'm using all of it. But if I do use all of it by mixing it up and adding, chopping some up in small pieces, putting taco seasoning on it, and putting in the tortillas, is going to be will stretch that a little bit farther. Oh, I almost forgot. 2.5 pounds of shredded Mexican style cheese from Costco is $9, and actually it's less than $9. It's $8.87 or something like that. So $9, rounded it up. The total for everything that's here plus the cheese in the fridge still is $44.29. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot. The one thing else I have on here, I didn't put it on, give you the price on yet, is the oatmeal. 16 cents a packet, 32 cents a day. Total for that was $9.60, but that's included in the 44. That's included in the $44.29. So I got breakfast for 30 days for $9.60. And then I got the lunches with tortillas and quesadillas and maybe a little pork tossed in there, with taco seasoning on it. And then mashed potatoes and pork chops for dinner. And I'm still trying to lose weight. I'll probably gain a little weight with this diet. All right. So let me go wash my hands real quick. I'll jump right back. So just be a second for you. And then I'm going to break out that the pork chops and see exactly what I have. And then I'm going to bag them up. Once I open this up. All right. Oh yeah, I'll definitely be cutting that in half. I got one. This has just a little bit of bone in it here. right, there's 12. What do we got down here? Oh, we got some pork shoulders, so 12, 13. Oh, big one here, so maybe 3 there. So that's 20, 26, 27, 28, 29 days. So there's, 30 plus days right here. And so I got 2 extra days. Oh, 2 extra days. 2 extra days. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Probably another 12 days of stuff where I can cut this up and make make tacos, taco meat for the quesadillas or burritos, and the refried beans at Winco are 78 cents a can. And I made some stuff using the pork chops that I cut up a couple weeks back here. I cut some pork chops and 2 cans of the refried beans. So that would be cool if I would use maybe 1 of these big monsters in there with 2 cans of beans, maybe 1 1/4. And that lasted me like 6 dinners. So adding, 78, that's going to make that $1.56 to that. Let's make that 45.85. I'll have probably way more than 30 days worth of food. And that's not counting if I went and bought the macaroni and cheese, which will last me for 4 meals for $1 something, and cut up some pork chop and threw it in there too. So hang on a second. Let me go rinse my hands. Okay, now I'm back. So for less than $46, I probably have 45, 12, well, all right, at least 40 days of food for less than 50 bucks. Oh, and I can still add a couple more cans of refried beans to that. I can also, that doesn't count, the stuff I grew in my garden, the rainbow chard, which seeds I got for free. And I can have Swiss chard, and I can have Swiss chard every night for dinner. There's more. So that just expands my stuff a little longer. Oh, the tomato plants are still producing. I got tomatoes. So your garden can expand your $50 food challenge at 0 cost. So anything you pull out of the garden, this came out of the garden, is a 0 cost additive. What? Yeah, I'm trying to get people to grow a garden. All right, so with this here, I'm going to wrap this up now, and I'll put some links to different things, including my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, which has a lot of cooking on it, prepping for beginners, prepping in private, and the channel membership video here. Share these 2 playlists here out with your friends so they'll get prepared and not come after your stuff. All right? See you around.